Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise X, and this is a Yakety-Yak special edition. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Breaking news! Today, they announced they're releasing their fourth Excel-class ship in spring, hopefully, of 2027. This is a German-built ship coming from the Meyer Werft, not sure how to pronounce it, shipyard that is building their other ships. So a couple things. What do you think the port is going to be? So we have two on the East Coast, out of Port Canaveral and Miami. We have a centrally based one out of Texas, the Jubilee, the newest release. I think this one's going West Coast. They don't have a monster on the West Coast. I don't know if their ports can support it either, but we'll see. Next, what do you think the name's gonna be? So they're going with their old school names for the last series that they put out. So they have the Mardi Gras, they have the Jubilee, and they have the Celebration. These are all names that their older ships were. I think it's gonna be the Tropical or Tropical or however you say that one, because that was their first branded Carnival ship with the iconic funnel. That's my personal thought. You guys tell me what you think. Leave your comments below because I'm curious what everybody's thinking. That was the breaking news, breaking Yakety-Yak edition. Thanks everybody. Have a great night.